7 reasons to use aloe vera for treating diabetes. Aloe vera is well known as a natural remedy for its invigorating and soothing effects that makes it an amazing skincare product. The recent researches have shown the aloe vera goodies in diabetes treatments. The connection between diabetes and aloe vera. As one of the most often autoimmune disease and the numerous people that are suffering this diseases, worried the medicine experts for its treatment. The diabetes control is based on regular physical activities, health lifestyle, and proper diets, as we all know. Despite the fact, all of this depend on many factors, as working time and free time, eating time, and practicing. In this kind of conditions, the importance of aloe vera comes to the table. These are the most important things that scientists revealed. Aloe vera is very significant in regulation of the natural blood sugar. Regular fresh aloe vera juice usage is regulating the bloodstream glucose. It has strong hypoglycemic abilities. 2 doses aloe vera juice 5 to 15 ml per day are decreasing the blood sugar very significantly. Aloe vera diabetics benefits. It is packed with soluble deity fibers, polysaccharides, which are reducing the glucose levels. And organic phenols with some distinctive aroma, proteins, lectins which are binding the carbohydrates are some of the aloe vera compounds. Aloe vera is reducing the blood sugar till 50% for 2 months. It is cleaning the body. Has a strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which are keeping us from many diseases, especially diabetes. Aloe vera is stimulating the insulin secretion and that way is alleviating the diabetes signs. It is all natural and it's not causing any side effects. Adding aloe vera to your diet. For an optimal result, use organic and fresh aloe vera juice or gel, not in processed forms. Take 1 teaspoon of aloe vera each day. After a while, increase the dose to 3 teaspoons a day. If you don't like the taste, sweetener with honey or stevia. Science has found a plant that cures HIV, fights diabetes and cancer, but Big Pharma doesn't want you to know. There are numerous natural remedies which have powerful medicinal properties that can fight many diseases even better than conventional medications, but the pharmaceutical industry doesn't want you to know that. This will cut down their profits significantly, so there's no reason for the public to know that there are cheap cures for even the deadliest diseases. Nature has a cure for all diseases and conditions, we just need to know where to look for it. Many plants can be made into homemade remedies that can even treat cancer. Take guanabana for example. This Central American plant can cure diabetes and regulate your blood sugar levels, but you won't read about that in the mass media. The amazing plant, also known as soursop, can also help you treat HIV, cancer, as well as any problems with the liver, kidneys, prostate, and thyroid. The soursop plant has cytotoxic properties, meaning that it can destroy cancer cells without affecting the healthy ones. It's a completely natural therapy with no side effects that won't harm your immune system like chemotherapy. Guanabana extract can destroy the cancer cells of 12 different types of cancer, and is said to be 10,000 times stronger than the effects of adriamycin, a common chemotherapy drug. Unlike conventional cancer treatments, the fruit won't affect your healthy cells. There have been several studies on the effects of soursop on cancer since the 70s. Many of them have shown that the fruit is highly effective against different cancer cells, but since then, there has been a small amount of lab tests because Big Pharma doesn't want the public to know about the powers of the fruit. Don't waste any time or money. You can say goodbye to diabetes, cholesterol, triglycerides, and ulcers just by using the leaves of this tree. Did you know that fig tree leaves can help you treat diabetes and other diseases and conditions? There are many natural remedies that can treat different ailments, but you will be surprised to learn that fig leaves can treat almost any known disease and condition. They are rich in fiber and calcium and are also a great source of antioxidants. Figs contain a lot of fiber, magnesium, copper, manganese, vitamins A, B, C and K, folic acid, sodium, and zinc. They also contain potassium, which is vital for proper blood pressure. Figs are a powerful anti-diabetic and anti-tumor agent that can also regulate your cholesterol and blood sugar levels. The leaves of the tree can treat diabetes easily and will reduce the insulin resistance in your body. Diabetics should take fig leaves extract along with their breakfast in the morning, while a nice cup of fig leaves tea can further help in the fight against the disease. Besides reducing cholesterol, fig leaves can also reduce the level of triglycerides in your body. Triglycerides are a type of fat stored in the body. They are required for proper organ function, but too much of them significantly increase the risk of obesity and heart disease and can even be fatal. Fig leaves are great against ulcers as well. Chew a couple of them every morning to prevent ulcers from developing in your body. As we already mentioned, fig leaves are rich in fiber and are great for losing weight. They are recommended to obese people who need to lose weight immediately and are often part of rapid weight loss programs. Here's how to prepare a fine cup of fig leaves tea that will regulate your blood pressure and protect you from cardiovascular diseases and cancer. Ingredients: fig leaves, water. Preparation: fill a pot with water and add the fig leaves, then boil them for about 15 minutes. Drink this cup of tea to protect yourself from serious disease and to treat bronchitis easily. To eliminate ulcers in your body, chew 2 to 3 fig leaves every day. Potato juice can prevent cancer, diabetes, gastritis, and hypertension. Being healthy and staying away from diseases isn't as difficult as people think. It's a matter of maintaining certain habits and choosing to eat healthy. There are many foods that can naturally protect us from ailments, and potatoes are considered as the best. Besides being delicious, potatoes have numerous health benefits as well. They can treat numerous diseases and conditions including cancer, and this has been confirmed by several studies. According to one study, potato juice is effective against numerous types of cancer and can be used to defeat the deadly disease. Potatoes are a great source of energy due to the high carb content. They can help our body function properly and feed it with essential nutrients. Potatoes contain a lot of vitamin C, which will boost your immune system, as well as antioxidants which will repair your body. The vegetable also contains folic acid, vitamins from the B group, magnesium, potassium, and iron, minerals that will boost your brain function and prevent the development of kidney stones. Here are the top health benefits of potato juice. Regulates cholesterol and blood pressure. Potato juice contains certain compounds which can regulate the levels of cholesterol in your blood and prevent cancer. The juice also contains phytochemicals, vitamins, and flavonoids that can prevent cardiovascular disease and protect your arteries from inflammation. Whitens the skin and heals burns. Besides preventing cancer, potato juice can whiten your skin and relieve blemishes and dark spots. It can also be used to heal burns. Prevents premature aging. Potatoes can reduce the appearance of wrinkles and make your skin soft and shiny. They can also reduce dark circles under the eyes. Treats gastritis. According to numerous studies, potato juice can treat and prevent numerous serious disease such as gastritis. Dr. John Liesenzer suggests taking a tablespoon of potato juice diluted with some water 30 minutes before breakfast, lunch, and dinner in order to treat the disease. He also recommends consuming half a DL of potato juice on an empty stomach, then half of the amount 30 minutes before lunch and dinner to treat duodenal and stomach ulcers. Treats respiratory diseases. According to Dr. John Tukakoff, potato juice can be of great help in the treatment of pulmonary and respiratory diseases. He says that the remedy had very promising results against emphysema in some of his studies. Cancer. The Buddhist monk Tom Izawa, author of the book The Road to a Healthy Lifestyle, Cancer, Nothing to Fear, suggests that consuming 250 ml of potato juice daily can prevent cancer in 90% of people who try it. Dr. Kagami, professor of medicine at the University of Akita in Japan, studied the properties of the juice as well, and was able to isolate a rare substance that is responsible for the juice's anti-cancer properties. This substance effectively suppressed the growth of tumor cells in mice, and the results of the study were presented at a cancer congress held in Germany. Here are some tips you need to follow before preparing the juice. Always drink potato juice fresh after preparation. Make sure the potatoes you've bought are as fresh as possible. Don't peel the potatoes, use them whole. Wash them very well before preparation. Always try to find organic vegetables. When buying potatoes, make sure they aren't dehydrated and don't contain spots. Avoid buying green or sprouted potatoes, as they contain a toxin called solanine that can accumulate in the body and cause nausea, diarrhea, stomach pain, and headaches. Here's how to prepare the juice. Wash 2 medium-sized potatoes well, then cut them into slices and wrap them in a cloth. Next, squeeze the potatoes well or put them in a blender to obtain the juice. Dilute the juice with some water and drink it in the morning on an empty stomach as well as before lunch or dinner. You can also mix the potato juice with fruit and vegetable juices as well as honey. Drink the juice for 30 days to prevent cancer, then take a 2-week break and continue with the treatment for another month.